welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn about article the. The is a definite article and used to refer to any particular noun. Let's check out a few examples. Example number 1. Let's read the book. Now here we are talking, let's read the book means we are talking about any particular book that we have decided to read. The second example, let's read a book. Now here we are not talking about any particular book. I like coffee. I like coffee. I'm saying in general that I like coffee. I'm not talking about any particular coffee. I liked the coffee you made yesterday. Now here in this example, I'm talking about the particular coffee that someone made yesterday for me. Are you a teacher? In this sentence, in general, I'm asking someone, are you a teacher? Are you the science teacher? Now, in this example means I'm asking to the specific teacher, are you the science teacher? Let's check out a few more examples. Life is beautiful. Here in this sentence and the other sentence, the life is beautiful. What do you think? Which one is the correct one? As you can see, life is beautiful. We are talking in general. Yeah, I know that you understood and you chose the correct answer. This one is correct because we are talking in general that life is beautiful, not someone's life that is beautiful. Time is precious or the time is precious. When we say time is precious, means we are talking in general. We are not specifying any time. If I say the time I spent with you is precious for me, then it's correct. But I didn't say that. So, this one is correct. Okay, the next example, that is the girl. Or, that is the girl I told you about. Which sentence is correct? What you think? In first sentence, you need to focus. Are we talking about any particular noun, any particular girl? No, we are not. So this sentence is wrong. The correct one is, that is the girl I told you about. The other example, I live in the apartment. Or the apartment I live is new. So I live in the apartment is of course wrong because I'm talking in general. So I must say I live in an apartment. So which one is the correct one? You are right. This one is correct. Let's check out a few more. Okay, let's solve this exercise together. Here we have the first one, cooperation or the cooperation is essential. So we need to focus whether we are talking in general or we specify something. So here in this example, which one do you think? We are talking in general, of course, so we have to choose the first option. Look at the second option, silence or the silence is golden. We are talking in general or we specify any particular silence? Of course, we are talking in general. I want to feel joy or the joy I felt in our first date. In this one, you have to identify whether we are talking in general or we specified any particular joy. Yes, we specify here that I want to feel the joy I felt in our first date. We are not talking in general, we are talking about the first date. My sister is scared of the dogs or dogs. If we're talking about general, what we supposed to choose? Exactly. Why we are not saying the dogs? The same sentence, if we say my sister is scared of the dogs next door, then it's correct. But we didn't specify. So we have to choose only dogs. I'm looking for a job or the job nowadays. Here again, you have to focus whether you are talking in general that you are looking for a job or any particular job you are talking about. So we are talking in general. Okay, I'm applying for the job or a job posted today. Which one to choose? We are talking about the particular job that is posted today. So which one? Exactly. So did you see how easy it is? I hope that you understood well. Okay. If you like my video, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.